Feels so weird compared to normal tofu. Hey guys, it's Candace the Edgy Veg, and I wanted to see today if I could make tofu taste like chicken. Alright, there's a lot of hate out there for tofu, and personally, I love tofu. I think it's delicious. I think it's high in protein. I love putting it in stir fries or making, I don't even know what, so many different things with it. But I saw this method on Mary's Test Kitchen where she made her tofu have the same texture as chicken, and I wanted to test it out and see if it worked. I've also seen this really bizarre pineapple juice based brine that people are saying really helps break down the protein in the tofu and makes it taste like chicken. So we're gonna try that as well. Let's see if it works.
Awesome. Boom. Check.
Let's get right into it. The method for freezing the tofu. So I've already done this because it takes a few days. So I did it ahead of time. I took 2 blocks of tofu. I put them into the freezer. So literally went to the store, bought them, brought them home, didn't touch them with the packaging and everything, put it into the freezer, froze it overnight, put it out on the counter and in the fridge to thaw it out, and then put it back in the freezer overnight and let it thaw. And this helps take out a lot of the water, I believe. So you get this like stringy, almost like break apart like chicken texture in your tofu. So I've gone ahead and done that. And I'm going to fry one that's not marinated and one that is marinated. To make this marinade, we are going to need half a cup of pineapple juice right here, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, because that's what I have. And then you just want to put your tofu in there and water to cover. Save it in the fridge Store it in the fridge for 4 hours. Apparently, that's going to help break down the proteins and marinate the tofu so it's not just that like tastes like nothing tofu flavor when you fry it. How high the tofu is going to go. So if I need more water, I can add more water after. Okay, let's see if this, oh, it does have that like chickeny, meaty texture to it. So you want to just squeeze all the excess liquid out. And then you can throw it right into your marinade. And do like wing style pieces probably, or like bite size. You can do a couple different varieties of sizes, or it falls apart. So don't make it too small or else it'll fall apart. Mary was on to something. Right, get all of that liquid out of there. So make sure your tofu is covered in the marinade. Add a bit more water. And then you want to toss that in the fridge for 4 hours. Now, we cannot fry chicken without a dredge. That's also known as the breading or the coating. So I'm going to do a 50% cornstarch and a 50% regular flour to get a really crispy, nice breading. So I'm adding half a cup of each into the bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and my favorite spices. I used 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half of a teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can use an egg replacer for this. I find sometimes just soy milk works as well. I mean, if you want something to be extra thick and sticky, you can definitely use an egg replacer, or even reduce the soy milk on a stove to get like a nice thick soy paste. I'm lazy sometimes. Like, I'm trying to do this the same way I would do it if I was making it for myself. So I'm just going to use soy milk because it is higher in protein, so it'll add a nice thick coating. And the next step is super easy. We are going to take our tofu, throw it into the dredging, put it into the soy milk, and then put it back into the dredging and fry it. These are like pervert fingers. I don't know what that means. So this is why I never get a manicure, because there's no point. Look at this. Okay, so you want to heat up your oil to about 325. I'm doing just a shallow fry. You can also do this in a deep fryer as well. Mine is in storage, so we're just gonna go easy today. And then we're going to throw the tofu right into the hot oil and cook that for about 4 minutes. Okay, so we have the marinated side here, not marinated here. Let's give it a taste test and see which one is better. Well, not even which one's better, just like, does the freezing method work? So, the normal one, it definitely works from a texture perspective, but the tofu itself doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. So the breading has lots of salt and it has that oil and a really nice mouthfeel. I feel like you definitely have to season the tofu with something. Like, it's good, but I'm not like blown away by it. Let's try the marinade. I just can't get over how this like pulls apart like this. It's actually really cool. I'm very impressed. So I would even add a little bit of salt to the marinade. I like the flavor that the pineapple juice gives it. It definitely breaks it down a little bit, makes it a little bit softer. More of a robust flavor. It's really good. I'm very impressed. I would probably toss these in some hot sauce. So, gotta try. Oh my god. Well, that's just the winner. Anything coated in Frank's Red Hot, though, is so good. I'm super impressed. I think you guys should definitely make this. It's a super cheap way to have like super authentic fried chicken without having to buy those expensive meat products, or meat substitute products rather. All right guys, there you have it. I taste tested this before you guys make it, so you guys know that it's really good. I definitely think you guys should give this a try. Toss it in some barbecue sauce or some Frank's Red Hot if you want to make wings, or just serve it like fried chicken, just like this. If you guys like this recipe, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what weird like plant-based food hack you want me to try and see if it works. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and I will see you next week. Bye!